Example 10, find the limit. The limit of 3 divided by the quantity 7x minus sine of x as x goes to infinity. So if we try direct substitution here, we would get 3 over, this would become infinity, and this would be, does not exist because it's bouncing between -1 and 1. So let's try this. Let's try some algebraic manipulation. Let's try 3 over 7x all over 7x over 7x minus sine of x over 7x as x goes to infinity. Then let's simplify this. Let's make this the limit of 3 over 7x all over, this should be 1 minus, let's make this 1/7 times sine of x over x as x goes to infinity. Alright, now the numerator, I think we can see this would be 0. This would be 1 minus 1/7, and then this here, if you remember what that is by the squeeze theorem, that's going to end up being 0. And the reason why, let's look at this. Let's look at the limit of sine x over x as x goes to infinity. Again, think of sine x, that's between -1 and 1. If I divide all of these by x, and then if I use the squeeze theorem, if the limit of -1 over x as x goes to infinity and the limit of 1 over x as x goes to infinity, both of these would equal 0, then the limit of sine x over x as x goes to infinity would equal 0. So that's going to be 0. So this whole thing is just going to be 0. Again, it's really important to show your work. On a test, you wouldn't want to just say, oh, this is 0. Okay, I'd want to see the explanation here.